Hello everyone, my name is Justina. Welcome back to our channel. So for today's videos, it might be a little bit too professional for some people, but please pay attention and watch it to the end, okay? Just like we mentioned before, the skin is a complex organ with multiple layers that works together to support and also protect our body.
The skin has basically three layers: epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis.
Each layer serves distinct function and also contribute to the overall structure and the function of the skin.
The epidermis is the outermost layer of skin which provides a waterproof barrier and creates our skin tone. The epidermis consists of a specific group of cells known as keratinocytes, which function to synthesize keratin, which is a long thread-like protein with a protective role. The dermis is beneath the epidermis and it contains tough connective tissue, hair follicles, and sweat glands. The dermis is fundamentally made up of the fibrillar structural protein known as collagen. The dermis lies on subcutaneous tissue or panniculus, which contains small lobe of fat cells known as lipocyte. The deeper subcutaneous tissue or hypodermis is made of fat and connective tissue. The color of skin is created by special cells called melanocytes, which produce the pigment melanin. Melanocytes are located in the epidermis.
We should see things from the deeper side, okay? So, you should have to know about the logic. So if you think that is useful and also if you want to know more information about it, please don't forget to give us some thumbs up and also subscribe our channel.